Naked pottery is an art that is raw, rich clay drawn from the earth, strong hands forming curves and lines, blistering fire maturing to stone, precious sand glazing to glass. In the hands of the beholder, naked pottery is unique, organic, flawed, and yet beautifully whole and magically full of purpose. As a naked potter, I recognize my vulnerability, and I look to it for strength. I seek wisdom from my creative practice. I gain insight from introspection, from contemplating my art and my relationship with clay. This is a platform that opens my heart, that opens me, that maybe can open you too.